Genesis 4060 is launching a small form factor variant, and it's actually quite good because like currently like the only high performance small form factor cards are like the 6400 and 6500 XT, and they don't really perform that well. The only real downside of having a 4060 as a small form factor card is the €300 price point, because for selecting like a different case that supports a 2-slot 2-fan GPU, then like you can get like 6700 XT, which is more VRAM, more performance around the same price, by simply choosing a different case. Pricing this 4060 kind of a lot of potential if the price drops down, let's say 250 when 5000 series comes out, because that previous generation always dropped down in price.